In the middle of the United States, spring brings warm, wet air from the south, making things perfect for one of the most extreme weather events on Earth, tornadoes. That's why this part of the country is called Tornado Alley. Some years are worse than others, and 2011 was one of the worst ever.
Did you see that? The whole house came apart!
That year, in the town of Joplin, Missouri, a dangerous tornado killed more than 160 people. But although we know a lot about the science of tornadoes, we still can't predict exactly when or where they will happen. Josh Worman is a weather scientist. He and his team are studying how thunderstorms produce tornadoes. "75% of thunderstorms don't produce tornadoes, but 25% of them do. But which thunderstorms will do it?" To answer this question, Josh and his team need to get information from as many tornadoes as they can during the spring. To find the storms, Josh uses a Doppler radar scanner. It can show him what's going on inside a thunderstorm, which gives him important information about what starts a tornado. Josh now knows where to look, but finding the right storm is always difficult. Then, after 1,000 miles of driving, they find the right one. But the team has to move fast because tornadoes come and go very quickly. And there's the tornado they're looking for.
There we go. That's what it's about.
There she is. Beauty.
That's a beauty.
Don't get behind me, let him stop. Be careful, be careful.
This huge tornado is less than a mile away from the team. Its winds are spinning up to 200 miles per hour.
Well, I'm sure what we were just in gets you a TVS, right?
Yeah, but we're far from the radar, so...
But less than 30 minutes after the tornado appeared, it dies. It was one of more than 1,200 tornadoes in this part of Tornado Alley since the beginning of spring.